The WPC Portal Crane System from Barbaric, in combination with our vacuum lifting devices, provides an ideal solution for loading prefabricated timber walls. At Tiroler Holzhaus, this new development demonstrates how open working areas, precise material handling, and maximum flexibility can be combined in one well-designed system solution. Tiroler Holzhaus is an Austrian specialist in prefabricated timber construction solutions and relies on modern, high-performance production technology. In this application, prefabricated timber walls are produced on a Hundegger WALL-Master and then fitted with different materials in the next process step. The WPC Portal Crane System was developed specifically for requirements like these. Unlike conventional ceiling-suspended rail systems, or solutions with floor-mounted support structures, this system is mounted laterally to the building structure. This keeps the entire handling area fully accessible. At the same time, an overhead crane above the system can continue to be used. This creates more freedom of movement, more flexibility, and significantly better integration into existing production environments. The system at Tiroler Holzhaus features a crane runway length of around 45 meters. Two motorized jib arms, each with an outreach of approximately 9 meters, allow comfortable and precise movement along the entire production line. Operation is carried out directly via the handle of the respective lifting device. This allows the jib arms to be positioned with minimal effort, intuitively, and with high precision. Each jib arm is designed for a load capacity of up to 200 kilograms at the lifting device. Two different lifting devices from Barbaric are used in this application: the UWL-3 and the NGR. The UWL-3 is ideally suited for handling standard panel materials. These include OSB, coated boards, plasterboard, Fermacell, and other commonly used panel materials. With a maximum load capacity of up to 200 kilograms, the UWL-3 enables safe, ergonomic, and efficient loading of the wall elements. The system is complemented by the NGR, which is designed for especially flexible applications. Depending on the material, it can be used either with vacuum pads or with needle grippers. This makes it possible to handle not only standard panel materials, but also softer materials such as wood fiber insulation boards and other insulation or render carrier boards safely and efficiently. With vacuum pads, the NGR also reaches a load capacity of up to 200 kilograms, and with needle grippers up to 65 kilograms. In this application, the combination of the WPC Portal Crane System, UWL-3, and NGR ensures a smooth material flow, high ergonomic performance, and optimal support for operators in daily production processes. At the same time, this project demonstrates how individual customer requirements can be translated into an economical and practical solution through a well-thought-out new development. The WPC from Barbaric stands for open working areas without obstructive supports, precise handling along the entire line, and maximum flexibility for a wide variety of materials. The result is a solution that not only improves material flow, but also raises ergonomics, efficiency, and freedom of movement in production to a new level. Barbaric, ideas that move.